Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enable backup bookmarks in the Maps.me app on your phone. This is an essential feature for anyone who wants to keep their favorite locations safe and easily accessible. By the end of this video, you will know exactly. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then select Settings from the list that appears. After that, scroll down through the settings options until you reach the Internet section. Under Internet, you will find the Backup Bookmarks option. Simply turn on Backup Bookmarks by tapping the switch. This ensures that all your saved locations are backed up online and can be restored if needed. Finally, you can exit the settings and continue using the app with peace of mind, knowing that your bookmarks are safely stored. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.